So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be doing a payout. Okay, this video is really special for me. One thing is that I'll be leaving college tomorrow. I think this is a sign. Second thing is that specifically this account, this is a 50k intraday trial. This is my second account out of three, and I legit thought that this account was gone. मेरी एक गलती की वजह से आई हैड लाइक अ वेरी बिग रेड डे एंड स्टिल आई हैड वेरी गुड विन स्ट्रीक. I maintain that win streak, and right here we have max payout with Apex. I'll show you guys my payout as well. Payout like मिलूँगा like in this video. Also, yeah, there's a lesson to be learned here. I'll show you guys why specifically ये account choose किया मैं payout के लिए. So if I go into like trading details, so can you see like all the wins right here? Like I had like really great win streak. So literally no losing days here. This one red day I'll tell you. Okay, so basically जब मेरा ये PA account clear हुआ था, so the day I got this PA account like funded account, तो पहला दिन क्या गया, ब्रेक इवन गया, $6 का लॉस. ठीक है, इज बेसिकली ब्रेक इवन फॉर मी. एंड आफ्टर दैट सेकेंड डे ऑल्सो ब्रेक इवन, मैं पूरा ब्रेक इवन था 2 दिन. ओके, एंड आफ्टर दैट स्मॉल लॉस, नेगेटिव में चला गया था, फिर अब पेन पॉजिटिव में चला गया था. एंड दिस ट्रेड आई स्पेसिफिकली रिमेंबर. ठीक है, मैं ये बस में ले रहा था, आई वॉज ट्रैवलिंग इन अ बस, एंड इंस्टेड ऑफ टेकिंग 4 माइक्रोज आई टुक 4 मिनीज. एंड जो एक रिट्रेस कैंडल में $1,200 गया ना, आई ट्राई टू क्लोज इट. ओके, दिस इज वेरी बैड, माई सिली मिस्टेक. दिस शुड हैव बीन एक्चुअली इट वॉज अ विनिंग ट्रेड. जो रिट्रेसमेंट हुआ 4 मिनी में, आई लिटरली लॉस $1,000 and I'm like gaya account. And this is literally intraday trail hai, not end of the day. So I'm like, this red day you see, right, it was supposed to be a win, but मेरी गलती है, आई कांट डू एनीथिंग. बस में ट्रैवल कर रहा था, इट वॉज अ वेरी गुड सेटअप. जो 4 मिनी में जो एक रिट्रेस गया ना 1 मिनट में, आई लिटरली लॉस्ट होप इन दिस अकाउंट. मैं बोला लाइक दिस अकाउंट इज़ गॉन, एंड आई लिटरली वॉज लाइक छोड़ देंगे, आई ट्रेड दी अदर 2 अकाउंट्स, उसमें कुछ कर लेंगे. बट आई एम लाइक फाइन, अभी भी $1,000 है, कुछ तो कर सकता हो क्या. एंड देन स्लोली आई गॉट दिस विन. अगेन आई रिस्क $300. ओके, इस दिन $300 आई जस्ट क्लोज द ट्रेड. वन ट्रेड, एक ही ट्रेड लिया था. उसके बाद एशिया सेशन में लिया था, अभी भी याद है मुझे. And then the next day, okay, the next day I risked the $310, okay, and I won that trade. And then I risked again 300 जो भी profit था, and I got 2 wins here. I'm like fine, अभी फिर से positive में आ गया था from this negative $1,000 to positive. फिर यहाँ से like लिटरली विन स्ट्रीक भाई, पूरा विन स्ट्रीक है, इधर से पूरा मंथ विन स्ट्रीक है मेरा. एंड पीपल आर टेलिंग लाइक प्राइस एक्शन इज़ हॉरिबल, बट इफ़ यू लुक एट द मंथ ऑफ what month, April na, yeah, April, it was at all time highs. Every single day it was closing green, every single day we had bull run. So I was literally looking long. So I think 99% have taken longs except one day which I took short kahi to yahan pe, and rest all days I tried looking for longs, and all time same strategy use kiya. Even when I traded eval 3000 बनाना था, eval में I made the 3000 before, like this is I think I got on 26th यहाँ पे. And before this 2-3 days back I made $3,000, and yeah, it's been really great. Win streak बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है, win rate is very good. And from there's one lesson that just don't lose hope if you have like one big red day. मेरा ही गलती है, this should have been a winning trade. I literally got demotivated. सोचा था कि नहीं होगा इस अकाउंट से पे आउट, बिल्कुल नहीं होगा. Specifically when you have intraday trail, it's really hard to get. And from there still nice win streak यहाँ से यहाँ तक. And look at my losses after that. I tried holding my losses. 152 यहाँ पे एक लॉस, यहाँ पे ब्रेक इवन, यहाँ पे एक छोटा लॉस. दिस आई टुक 2 losses, मेरी गलती है यहाँ पे. दिस इज़ टिपिकल, अगर विंस हो रहा है तो लॉस भी नेचुरली होगा. एंड फ्रॉम देयर डिडंट लूज होप. 52,000 लाइक यहाँ पे आई वॉज एलिजिबल फॉर पे आउट, and still I lost this, and I didn't get demotivated. Break even किया उसके अगले दिन, didn't get demotivated, and from there I had to make 518 today, so 53,649. This is if you make 53,600 you can take max payout with Apex. So from this moment on it's like just green days after green days. I don't know if I can show everything, but yeah, it's fine. ऐसा गया मेरा जर्नी. Very good bull run. I had like 70 to 80% win rate. Really great month. Okay, so with that Eligibility rules, I clear all the eligibility rules. I can request max payout, and look at this, all the trades यहाँ पे 100% profit है. And I'll request I hope that you guys also एक दिन आएगा जब आप भी रिक्वेस्ट करोगे. So I'll be requesting 1500 here, agree and submit, continue. So yeah, that's it. I literally submitted for payout. I think कहीं तो आ जाएगा. Hopefully will get payout. I think payout like 7 से 8 दिन में आएगा. Apex का थोड़ा slow है. It's not like Lucid and other firms जो एक दिन में भेजेगा. They have to review it and then send. So hopefully yeah, I just took payout right here. So just to be transparent कि क्या हुआ, literally the whole month I had bull run, very lucky. Literally tomorrow this room I'm leaving, literally tomorrow my parents are coming, and I feel like this is a sign that I should continue trading instead of doing masters abroad or something. So we'll see what happens. A really great month. So yeah, everything is good right now. I don't think so it should get rejected after being this consistent. I think my consistency score is below 20%, not even like 30 or 40. It's below 20%. Like I had base wins. There's also one thing that you guys need to know, that go for base hits instead of getting home runs. It's gonna help you a lot emotionally, because for me, I'm a emotionally very sensitive person, and I am telling you guys I'm really emotional. But yeah, हर दिन taking same trades, having those emotional pain, एक दिन experience में आ ही जाएगा, where you can have like win streak like this. Like this is top tier win streak, to be very honest. I've not seen like really like A plus traders also have maintained this good win streak, to be very honest. अगर ये गलती नहीं होता तो मेरा पे आउट बहुत जल्दी आ जाता था. That's my mistake. I literally remember 4 minis कभी नहीं लिया ज़िंदगी में, and yeah, the one small retrace loss. Otherwise yeah, that's the lesson that I wanted to give, that don't give up on trading, and yeah, you will have something great. So yeah guys, that's payout summary. Once I get payout, I'll update on Discord या Instagram में कर ही दूँगा. So yeah, a very small and nice video, to be very honest, that I wanted to make. And yeah guys, hopefully you like the video. Do share, do subscribe. Till then we'll meet again. Bye bye.